Alright, welcome back. I didn't realize minimizing the Minecraft window would end the recording. Good job, Bobcat. Round of applause. You know what? Let's just all blame Jimmy. Jimmy, it's your fault. Alright, we're done blaming Jimmy. So what I was going to say is I've done the calculations for this. So 8 by 13 equals 104. And we times 104 by 321. And this ended up equaling 33,000 something. I don't exactly remember the numbers, but it was ridiculous. 33,000 items in this game plus. I think it was like 33,380 something. So that is ridiculously huge number. So let's go mining or something. Mining would be good. Let's get some tools. That tool power. Digging the hole. I like to dig damn holes. Hole digger. She's a hole digger. Dig them holes. Oh yeah. You ain't got no better hole digging than this. Dig in the hole. Hole diggers. Won't them dig a hole like me. I'm a hole digger. Dig in this hole. Dig. Oh, there's copper. I think it's copper. We have copper. Did I make myself? Okay, just use the rest of this stuff. No. We got copper, iron. Iron's what really what we want. We want armor. Armor and weapons to destroy our enemies. Alright, let's cook this chicken because it's really, it's gonna want. Yep. Alright, let's put that there. Perfect. Oh, so many of these like open sounds and stuff that I love them. I love these decorative house item stuff. Like that. Wait, a lamp of growth? Is that like crouching? Awesome. Sorry, super. And there's all this wind turbine. So many items, so many pretty items. Oh, I love Chisel. Chisel is the best. Yeah, right. That's some food. Alright, today we should work on the food situation, because that's the most important. Alright, let's go out and slay some chickens, or should I? Let's go find seeds too. You probably don't give us seeds because I can't break you. You just turn into your flowers. Mushrooms, let's get a few of these because if I can find red ones I can grow them. Hello, chicken. Hello, unfortunate victim. Ooh, eggs, we can replant them. I mean, yeah, we're gonna replant chickens. Alright, let's go. Let's not get too far away from my house. Oh, hi, chicken. Dead. Okay, come on, bye. Jerk. So many eggs, yes. Egg Town. Awesome. Bye, chicken. I will remember your sacrifice. Probably not, but... because they're not really sacrificing it, I'm taking it from you. That's fine. Either way. Get some food seeds from these. And let's go start a farm. I'm gonna need some dirt. No, dirt. Sorry. I have a little bit of a sniffle. I don't know why. Alright, let's just get some dirt. Let's see, I need 16, 6 is 24. That should be able to make a full farm. 23, 24, 25. Oh, the rain is finally gone and it's so quiet. So weird. Hi, chicken. Bye, chicken. I'll definitely not remember your sacrifice. But it's okay. You went to a great cause. Ah, the rain. probably not. Oh, we have this ground, which is sucks. So let's make a shovel, because realistically. Let's make two. So much sand. What happened to the sandy area? Probably because it wasn't among the trees where the bad things are. It's nice and cool. Alright. Dig. The shovel. I'm digging with the shovel. Shovel digger. Digging with the shovel digger. Shovel digger. Digging the shovel. Oh, goodness. Eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So much sand, but I'll make new glass. Oh, it's fine. So we put dirt there. Right. Dig it. Dirt. Yes. Oh, I don't know. Let's put our crafting table outside so and let's pick a hoe and hose. For frickin' sakes. Put the sticks in the right place. There we go. We have those. I know, it's gonna be too boring. But it's what we got. Cause it's loving. It's what I got. Enough I'm missing. Oh, frick. Good job. Good job, Bobcat. Alright, let's watch these seeds grow. Grow! Faster! I'm done. Well, it's nighttime again. Nighttime has not treated me well in the past. So I'm just gonna, stick around in here. And next episode, it'll be morning. Magically. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not quite sure how long it was. I forgot to keep track. And, the last video ended prematurely. But, I think I'm... Tyler, just say what you want to say. Jesus, Bobcat, get your thoughts straight. I'm planning to keep the episodes short, because if they're shorter, they're more exciting. But it might be too short for your taste. Let me know. Jeez, just speak. The words. Form the words. Say the words. Project your theme. That's a Skyrim reference. Alright, so I'll see you back later. God, just talk. Alright. Bossbobcat, signing out. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that's right. I changed the unrecord button. Good job. A round of applause for me, everybody, because that was awkward, and I was drawing. I can speak. I promise. Drawing that out way too long. So now, Bossbobcat will sign out.